Hey there. Moved or changed your phone number? Keeping your contact info current on your Schwab account is critical for security alerts, account recovery, and timely communications. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to update it. Log into your account, click on your profile name in the top right, and select Profile and Account Settings. Then, choose Contact Information. Here you can update your mailing address, email address, and phone numbers. For security, Schwab may require additional verification, like a code sent to your old number or email, to confirm the changes. My crucial pro tip? Update your mobile number first for two-factor authentication. Your mobile number is often the key to receiving security codes for login. Ensure this is always current. Consider adding a trusted secondary phone number as a backup method for account recovery. That's a simple maintenance task that protects your account's integrity. When was the last time you did a sweep to update your contact info on all financial accounts? Let me know in the comments. If essential maintenance guides help you, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.